Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it is Monday the 11th of April, and it's just 3 o'clock. As you can see, things are really enjoying the sunshine today. Just get rid of this piece of rubbish. Beautiful flowers, dandelions there. Just have a quick whiz round. Some more dandelions need digging up. We have here this fuchsia. It's just starting to spring into life. As we come round here, hollyhocks down there. Shut the gate. Here we have perennial geranium, which will stop producing flower buds soon. We have some nice hollyhock here, but as you can see here, some rust. That's rust. It needs spraying for. Beautiful daylily. This has got a beautiful golden flower on it. And we have foxgloves there and some hostas. As we come down, another daylily. This is a bigger one. And we have some Japanese anemones there. We come down here, some primulas there, flowering beautifully. And these lupines, I'm so proud of these. These were going from seed last year. This one didn't flower here, so hopefully it's going to be a beautiful flower on that this year. Fingers crossed. We come down here. These were sprayed for any pests and diseases last week, and that's really cut down the amount of caterpillar damage. You see in here, in there, there's any caterpillars in there. No, good. Then come around. These are aqualegias. These also nicknamed Easter bonnet because it flowers around Easter time, which is this weekend, Good Friday and Easter Monday. Oh, this is some poppies, Papaver somniferum. That's the one of only two that survive in this bed. Here we have my lilies. These flower really nicely. Beautiful flowers and really well scented. We come down here, some more primulas, some aqualegias, some foxgloves that were moved. And a weed there, just pull that up. Good thing about doing these walkthroughs, you notice any weeds. And this pink, this is a carnation, nicknamed Pink. Beautiful scent on it, and it's a beautiful double, triple flower. And it's white, a creamy white. This has been layered, I don't know if you can see that. This was buried underneath there, and that has taken, so that I can dig that up, and that'll be a separate plant. This primula, beautiful yellow one, but I love this like rosy pinky colour on that tall stem. Really makes it stand out well. Another perennial geranium. This is a gorgeous foxglove if it comes this year. As we come round, we have Japanese anemones there, some foxgloves, beautiful peony. This will need digging up, but these peonies, gorgeous flowers, really nicely well scented as well. This is an old-fashioned, beautiful old-fashioned daffodil. Another aqualegia. We come down here. This one, I think I need to dig something up here. I think I have got delphinium, yeah, there, just there. So this is the same plant that hasn't got as much competition, that's growing really well there. So that one will be, I'll dig that one up, pot it on and divide it. This whitish, creamish, old-fashioned daffodil, absolutely gorgeous. As you can see here, some weeding needs to be done. And then we come down here, the peony in the corner there is actually getting ready to flower. That's the earliest peony I've got in my collection. This ivy on my beautiful tree here. And I have here as well this clematis, which is growing really, really well. I'm pleased with. Two nice shoots on there. So hopefully that will carry on growing well. Just going to try and tie that in actually. Just get that round. Just get that round there. Get the ivy to grab hold of it, and hopefully that'll stay there. Then down here we have this hollyhock, which has been here the longest one. I mean, look how big the base of that is, all thick and gnarly. Bit of weed. And then next to it we have my later flowering peony. That's probably going to have 7 or 8 flower heads on it this year, which is going to look divine, divine. And then we come down here, this is Diane Joyce. This is a cream oriental poppy, and these oriental poppies are great. Once they're flowered, cut them right down to ground level, and you should get a second flush of flowers off it, so you can get 2 lots of flowers in the same year, which is great for a perennial, but normally only flowers once. In the mix here we have daylilies again, aquiledias, and then some tree lilies there. They need spraying because they do suffer with lily beetle in my garden. Here we have, that's another oriental. See what colour that is before I dig it up. If it's just a red one, it's coming out, go in the bin. But this is a really nice, healthy looking hollyhock. Look how vibrant that green is. But I'll spray that for rust and powdery mildew. Aquiledias, which will be flowering in the next couple of weeks. And we come down here, beautiful, beautiful delphinium in the corner there. Yep, these are really gorgeous, these, aren't they? Absolutely, absolutely divine. Look at the colours on those. And then here we have a bleeding heart, dicentra, bleeding heart. Oh, look at this, this is the first aquilegia flower. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, the bleeding hearts here, absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the aquilegia, Easter bonnet. And then we have that, and tulips there, beautiful golden tulips. And we have, look at that, forget-me-nots. And then we have a lot of Easter bonnet, a lot of aquiledias. And then we have 2 Papavera somniferum here. This one has not been eaten by the slugs and snails, puppy dog tails, so that one's growing fine. So is one there, along with my delphiniums that were grown from seed last year. And then beautiful one there. One of these is beautiful white colour. I don't know if it's that little one just down there. I don't know if you can just see that just coming through. Then we come some more bleeding hearts, which look absolutely amazing. And this is another lupine that was grown from seed last year, so hopefully that'll be beautiful. And we come along here, bearded iris. It's going to be, I'm going to dig this up. I'm going to dig all this up and just plant 2 or 3 pieces, so I've got a lot more space there. Then we have some more primulas. And then we have here, look at that, and a lot of little pollen gnats. This is being sprayed, so hopefully the damage from the caterpillars will go down. And we have another lupine here. It should be nice. You have 5 or 6 flower stems on that one. Then we come along here, beautiful white. I always forget the name of this. So anybody who can remember the name, please let me know so I can write it down, because it always blows my mind. I never remember it. Just have a quick kneel down here and a quick pan round. The grass needs its second cut, and the hedge, my hedge trimmers are broken, so I'm going to pay the local young lad, he's in his late teens, early 20s, to come and cut my hedge. So this is a beautiful penstemon. It's beautiful red with a white centre. And then we come round here. This needs watering, as you can see, because that is dry as a bone. Yeah, these beautiful agapanthus need watering, as you can see there. And here we have our, this is my pot from last year. A bud just coming there. Some more agapanthus. I can't remember the name of that. It'll come to me. And then we come down here. This beautiful electric blue delphinium when it flowers. But that's going to be, I've got to dig this up in the next week or so. Must remind myself, dig all this up, get these pots planted. I've got 3 Papavera somniferum there that are all growing really, really well. They were started off in toilet roll tubes. Then we come round here, we have my clematis that's growing really, really well, which is great. Just try and weave that around. If I get that to go at the back there, it'd be great. That should be nice and safe there then. Yeah, that's great. Straight there. And then we come around here. My delphinias, my aqualegias, and this flower, this clematis. See the size of these buds, absolutely humongous, like electric purpley blue colour, really divine. And then we come down here, these are Icelandic poppies, beautiful colours on them. My bleeding heart, Dicentra. And then my silver birch tree is now starting to be in full leaf. And then we come around here, these are all my agapanthus. This is the third year, so these should flower. I'm going to take those from here and I'm going to get the rest of these pots I've got empty and plant them all up, and hopefully we'll get some flowers from this year, which I'm so excited about. So yeah, this silver birch is going to be planted just up there on the right hand side. And that's it. That's a quick walk around my garden. I hope everybody's enjoyed it. The weather is absolutely gorgeous. It's probably just tipped over 100 in my greenhouse. I've just fitted 2 new greenhouse windows, which I'm just going to go on the back and show you. Yes, welcome back folks. These are my 2 windows that I've just installed, which I'm so pleased about. You see, this is off the bus shelter, because that's where I got them from. They were dismantling my bus shelter at the end of my street. So this is 10mm thick carbon sheets, polycarbonate, sorry, and really thick, really good. I cut it with my reciprocating saw. So that's that bit there, and then I've come around here. You see this bit here? This one, I've got some cleaning compound. It gets it rid of all the graffiti, but then I need some finer stuff just to get rid of the scratches. But yeah, I've now got light going straight through, and the plants are absolutely loving it, absolutely drinking it up. So yeah, that's my new greenhouse windows. Just see through there. So if you've got any questions about anything at all in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe and please like. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you very much for watching. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.